Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about common questions and misconceptions that I have been hearing around the law of assumption community that I would like to address. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. For all of my services, including one-on-one coaching, collective coaching, customized subliminals, and courses, go on ritakaminski.com. And with that, let's get into it. So a really big one that I have been hearing and seeing a lot of is, if I have it already, then why do I need to affirm? I have to answer this question with an example. So Hailey Bieber in this 3D reality is a billionaire, right? When she wakes up, she may not be intentionally thinking that she's a billionaire, but sometimes you literally just think, oh, hey, that's cool, I'm a billionaire. Or you see a yacht you want to buy or hire for the summer in Italy, and you think, or she thinks, I'm a billionaire, I can afford that. Now, it's not intentional like that, where she says, I'm a billionaire, therefore I can afford it. She already knows that she's a billionaire. She doesn't say it on the surface, right? But she's still thinking it. So when we are affirming, we are thinking as the person who has their manifestation. All that gray matter in the middle, it's mелочь, like I like to say in Russian. It's a small detail that you shouldn't be thinking about or overthinking, because at the end of the day, yeah, you are manifesting your shit. But as the person who already has it, you're thinking as the person who already has it. Does that make sense? So Hailey Bieber doesn't need to affirm. Yeah, that's right. She doesn't need to affirm. But that's because in the 3D, she already has it. You don't have your thing in the 3D. So I like to call affirming as intentional thinking, right? You're not thinking on autopilot. You are steering, whipping that thing in your subconscious mind around and focusing on what it is that you want. So yeah, you are thinking, but it's intentional. It's you steering the ship. You are the captain now. The truth is that in the 3D you don't have it, but you have it in the 4D. So you must be thinking as the person who has it, because the person who does have it is thinking that they have it. They're living that reality. And it's not so obvious like Hailey Bieber saying, I have $1 billion. It's not so obvious like me saying all the time in my mind, I have a cat, I have a cat, I have a cat. But as you are going about your day-to-day life and you already have this thing, you think about it once in a while, whether it's, oh my God, my cat's so cute. It's just an observation, not to get something, but because it's there. That's the same way that you should be affirming. That tricks your subconscious mind into thinking that you have it. That's the whole point of manifesting. It's just what thoughts you are thinking from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, and even while you're asleep. So if your dominant thoughts are, I have a cat, I have a cat, I have a cat, and your 3D is actually showing you the opposite, well then, if you just keep thinking it, a cat is gonna show up in your doorstep. And it's just impossible for it to happen like in a couple of months, because time is not linear. It's, as you know, doesn't really exist. It's man-made. So when you say I have a cat, your subconscious mind has to print that out for you. It's a law, like it's the law, like it's the law, like bleach and tone, like if you get it, you get it. It's the law, like it's the law. I'm gonna just keep saying that, like if you think as the person who has this thing, baby girl, you have it. because you're thinking as a person who has it. So your subconscious mind has no choice but to show that to you in the 3D reality. Now, when I say it's already done, it is already done. Once you actually start thinking as a person who thinks that it's already done, and then it will literally be done in the 3D. Some people are taking it way too literal now, like, come on, we don't actually have our thing, like, in a practical, realistic, on paper sense. But at the same time we do, because if we just affirm for it or think as the person who has it, that will trick our brain into delivering it like an Amazon package. That is literally it. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments down below. I have been answering you guys down there recently. So yeah. With that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone!